So here's how to add Google AdSense to your Wix website. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser, and after that here you have to simply log into your Wix website account. Once you are logged into your Wix website account, now here's from the left menu you have to simply click on the Wix apps store. Now here in the search bar you have to simply search for the Google Ads. After that here you have to scroll down and go to the Google AdSense option and you have to click on it. After that here this page will appear. From this page you have to click on the Add to Site option, and once you click on it this pop-up window will appear. Here you have to wait for the processing time. After that this pop-up window will be added to your Wix website. Here you have to click on the settings option at the top of it. Once you click on the settings, now another pop-up window will appear. Now from here you have to click on the manage ads option to manage ads on your Wix website. So that's how to add Google AdSense to your Wix website.